Viewers, so welcome as you work out this math problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch up to the end. So we have 9 to the power of x is equals to 126. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So 9 to the power of x is equals to 126. So in this case now, we want to express 126 to the root of 9, which is impossible. So now, for us now, we shall be forced to bring what is called the log. So now we shall have the log of 9 to the power of x is equals to the log of 126. So the log of 9 to the power of x can also be written as x log 9 is equals to the log of 126. So from here now, we want to remain with the value of x on this side. So we shall now be forced to divide both sides by the log of 9. This side also by the log of 9. So now that our x is equals to, so the log of 9 and the log of 9 shall cancel. So now x shall remain is equals to the log of 126 all over the log of 9. So now we shall move to the next step, where now we shall now factorize the log of 126. So we don't stop at this end. So now our x is equals to, so the log of 126 can also be written as the log of 9 multiplied by 14 all over the log of 9. So from there, following the laws of logarithms, let's now split the upper part. So now our x will be equals to, so the log of 9 all over the log of 9, this done, the log of 9. Then in this case now, according to the law of logarithms, the multiplication sign shall now change to addition. So plus the log of 14 all over the log of 9. So now from there now, we shall now cancel, and now says that now the log of 9 and log of 9 is 1. So x is equals to, here now shall be 1 plus the log of 14 all over the log of 9. So we don't stop there, we can still factorize the log of 14, where now we shall now say that now our x here is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 14 can also be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 7 all over the log of 9. So our next step now, we shall have this one, x is equals to 1 plus, so we have the log of 2 multiplied by 7 all over, so the log of 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2. So here now we shall proceed, and now says that, so we shall now have x is equals to, so 1 plus, so when we split this part, so we shall have the log of 2 all over, so log of 3 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 3, then plus log 7 all over 2 log 3. So let's proceed. So here in this case now we shall have, so our x is equals to 1 plus, so this one now we shall have a half log 2 all over log 3, then plus, so this one shall also be a half log 7 all over log 3. So in this case now we all know that when we have, so note, when we have log a all over log b, this one can also be expressed as log a to base b. So in this case now, we shall now have x is equals to 1 plus a half, so this one now shall be a half log 2 to base 3, then again plus this side a half log 7 to base 3. So in this case now, this one now shall be our value for x. So we shall now check or confirm if it is indeed the true answer that as we have written it up there. So this one was our equation. So we had 9 to the power of x. 9 to the power of x is equals to 126. So in this case now we shall have 9 to the power of 1 plus a half log 2 to base 3 plus a half log 7 to base 3 is equals to 126. So here now we shall proceed, and now says that here now we shall have 9. So 9 to the power of 1 is 9. So 9 multiplied by, so this one also 9 to the power of a half. So 9 to the power of half, we can also write it as 3 to the power of 2, close the bracket. So to the power of this one now a half log 2 to base 3, then plus also, so 9 to the power of a half, can still have it this way, 3 to the power of 2, then a half log 7 to base 3 is equals to 126. So here now we go, and here now we shall have, so 9 multiplied by, so a 2 shall cancel this, so we shall have 3 to the log of 3 to the log of 2 to base 3, then plus, so this one and this one shall cancel, so 2 and 2 shall cancel, so we shall have 3 to the log of 7 to base 3 is equals to 126. So here now we shall proceed, and now says that, so note that suppose we have a, so note, suppose we have a log a to base, a log b to base a, our answer shall be b. So this one to mean that now we shall have here 9 multiplied by, so 3 log 2 to base 3 shall be 2, then multiplied by here 3 log 7 to base 3 times 7 is equals to 126. So here now we shall conclude and say that 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 times 3 is, so 126 is equals to 126. So we are very correct by saying that our x is equals to this one, x is equals to 1 plus a half log 2 to base 3 plus a half log 7 to base 3. So if you really loved how we worked it out, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Let's stop there and see you in our next video. Bye bye.